Hi, just a update with a new Dr650 seat. I just purchased it online on eBay. The stock standard one. They're very hard on long rides, not so comfortable. So basically all you do, undo the staples, just a handful of staples I got out so far. Then undo those two brackets at the bottom there, and then fit your new seat, just a new foam and everything, and then pull this around and staple it back onto your van for your new comfortable ride on those long Dr650 trips that you're going to take. And I'll update you on the final, what it looks like when it's back on the bike. Just give you a quick look at what it looks like. Just the under side of the foam part, and then what it looks on the inside.